Hello, welcome to the intro outro maker by Video Jaguar. In this short tutorial video, we'll be going over how to use the software and showing you everything you need to know to get up and running. So email should be coming to you very shortly with your software key and login link. You'll just create a username, password, and you'll log in and you'll see this home screen right here. So you'll see all these different templates available for you to customize. And you see there's 3 pages of them down here. We don't have to go through all of them, but we'll just go through one of these just to show you how everything works. So let's click the first one. You see, hover over these and they start playing. But we'll click the first one here. Video, and then it sets up the video editor. And now these are very easy to make. This is probably some of the easiest videos since they're pretty short. So all you have to do here is you can, first of all, you want to name your project something unique, so in case you want to come back to it, we'll say project 1. Then all you see right here is the boxes where you can edit. So this first box is the logo image. So you'll want to have your logo already cropped and also transparent. So we give you the recommended size right here. Try to keep it in that size dimension. So for the logo, you just click on this and then you can upload your own. I see I just have some stuff over here. I can delete. Oops. We got stuff that we had used before, but you can put your browse, you can put your logo in here that way, or you use libraries of just regular royalty-free images if you don't have a logo and you just want to have something else. But that's all you'd have to do, and then you can put your tagline here like www.yourwebsite.com. So it's pretty simple. Yeah, it's not letting me go without a logo. So for this instance, what's this one? Okay, choose what's one of our clients. We can just do that for now. Click next, and then color scheme. For this one, I don't think it really matters, but it's just that text box that you're gonna want. It's doing it for. So I just leave it as is for here, but you can do custom colors. Click next, and we'll be going into the music tab, which as you heard in the example, plays this particle dance logo. It's pre-selected, but you do have the option of using all this other fully licensed music. If you like something, just click the plus sign and it'll add it up here, or you can click over here. It says upload your own, and if you have an MP3 file you want to use, you can do it there, and then click next, and guess what, you're done already. So you say start rendering, and after that it's gonna be very quick. It'll make it within 5 minutes or less, and you can see all the other projects we've done as examples. So all these projects will stay here until you delete them, or if you want to keep them here because you like it and you just want to edit it or something, like maybe you made a typo or something like that, you just click the pencil and it opens up the screen where you left off. So once it's done, you just click here, and then the window will pop up and you can say download. So click the download, and then it will be on your computer. And that's really about it. Once this is done, it also emails you too. So it's a pretty nifty little video creator for intro and outro videos. You can use these videos at the beginning and end of whatever other video you're creating. So we allow you to create an unlimited amount of these with every subscription. You can sell these to other people for whatever price you want, since you have resale rights. So there's a lot of flexibility we give you with this. Pretty straightforward. There's tons of templates you can use here. You can play around with them, see what you like most. And if you guys have any questions, you can hit the support tab, and somebody will reach out to you. But other than that, we wish you the best of luck, and thank you.